A rare Rampside pickup, a $2,500 big block convertible, a four-door Chevelle you can actually drive home, and a Cutlass that needs a transmission. These are real 1960s classic cars and project cars for sale under $10K, and some of them are more interesting than you'd expect. Let's take a slow walk around them. Number 1. 1961 Chevrolet Corvair Rampside pickup, $8,000, Quartzsite, Arizona. We start with something you just don't see every day, a 1961 Chevrolet Corvair Rampside pickup. Now this is not your typical American truck. The Corvair used an air-cooled, rear-mounted flat-six engine, no radiator, no water pump, completely different engineering from Detroit's usual V8 formula. The Rampside version is the one collectors want because of that side cargo ramp that folds down for easy loading. It was practical, clever, and very early 60s innovation. Seller says it's running and driving, very original, very little rust, possibly original paint. Straight body, good glass, rack is removable. Quartzsite, Arizona, dry climate, that helps preservation. At $8,000, for a rare configuration Corvair truck that runs, this isn't just a project, it's a conversation piece. Number 2. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle 300 Deluxe, $7,500, Oakley, California. Next up, a 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle 300 Deluxe, four-door sedan. Now most people chase the two-door SS cars, but the 300 Deluxe was the working man Chevelle. Clean, simple, no flash. This one has a small block Chevy, SBC, that runs well. 3-speed column shift, 3 on the tree, manual transmission. That's old school driving. Seller has done serious work. New front bucket seats, new headliner, new door seals, new dash pad, new door panels, new floor pans and carpet, new trunk pan, rear shocks, tires and brakes working well. There is rust in the rear valance under the back window, a common GM spot, slight damage on right rear quarter. But the key line here is, I can get in this car and drive and not worry. At $7,500, this sounds like a solid driver-level project. Not perfect, but usable. Number 3. 1963 Ford Fairlane four-door sedan, $3,500 OBO, Palm Springs, California. A 1963 Ford Fairlane sedan. Originally a 170 cubic inch inline-six with 3 on the tree manual. Seller still has the original motor and transmission, just removed from the par. It includes GM-style dual-bowl master cylinder, Willwood proportioning valve, front disc brake conversion kit. That's already a big safety upgrade over factory drums. Clean title, keys included, spare parts included. Palm Springs location. Again, desert climate helps. At $3,500 a best offer, this is an entry-level project. Affordable, lightweight platform, could go back stock, could become a mild V8 swap car. For someone young or someone wanting a simple garage project, this one makes sense. Number 4. 1963 Buick Special convertible, $5,000 OBO, Compton, California. A 1963 Buick Special convertible. Automatic transmission. Seller states, motor rebuilt, transmission rebuilt, carb rebuilt, chrome redipped, new manual convertible top, new upholstery and carpet, new bumpers, new gas tank, new brake system. That's a long list. It needs an exhaust system and paint. Seller says once painted, price goes up. The Buick Special in 1963 was smaller than the full-size Buicks, lighter, more nimble, and convertibles always bring extra appeal. At $5,000, if the rebuilds are solid, you're mostly looking at cosmetic finish work. That's not common at this price point. Number 5. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supremes S-Coupe, $5,000, San Jose, California. Here we have a 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S-Coupe, black exterior, gray interior, under 30,000 miles on rebuilt motor. It starts right up, registration current, no smog required, always nice in California for a 67. Interior reportedly restored in 2004. Vinyl top was removed last year. Now here's the reality. Needs transmission, needs brake work, needs bodywork, salvage title, but the engine is solid. The Cutlass platform shares DNA with the Chevelle, same GM A-body family. At $5,000 OBO, you're buying a running car that needs transmission and cosmetic attention. Not for someone scared of a project.
Number 6. 1969 Plymouth Fury III convertible, $5,500, Henderson, Nevada. A 1969 Plymouth Fury III convertible. One owner, 110,000 miles, automatic, red on red. It runs, drives, stops. Clean floors. Will need body rust repair, trunk and driver's side pillar. Big late 60s Mopar convertible. Wide stance, heavy chrome, comfortable cruiser. Seller calls it rare and desirable, negotiable price. At $5,500, a running big body convertible is hard to ignore. Number 7. 1962 Mercury Monterey convertible. $2,500, Salem, Utah. A 1962 Mercury Monterey convertible. Off the road since 1971. 390 FE engine, automatic transmission. Body described as very straight with very little rust. That's impressive for a car parked over 50 years. It doesn't say running, so assume full mechanical recommissioning needed. But at $2,500 for a straight big block convertible, this is pure project territory. Number 8. 1963 International Harvester C900. $7,500, Huntington Beach, California. A 1963 International Harvester C900 pickup. Mostly original, 152 cubic inch engine, 4-speed manual with granny gear. Front disc brakes added, brake booster added. Drives well around town. International trucks were built heavy, industrial feel, fixed steel, simple mechanics. Not flashy, but honest. At $7,500, it's a usable vintage truck with character. Number 9. 1963 Ford Fairlane. $3,000, Georgetown, California. Another 1963 Ford Fairlane, this time with a 221 V8. All original. Some rust, but not a lot. Video of it running about a year ago. Trades considered. The 221 was Ford's first small block V8, predecessor to the famous 289. At $3,000, this is affordable V8 classic territory. Number 10. 1966 Ford GT40 kit, Avenger Valkyrie. $3,500, Grass Valley, California. Now this one is different. A 1966 style Ford GT40 kit car, Avenger GT40 Valkyrie body on a VW frame. Powered by two Chevrolet Corvair Monza Flat 6 engines, one rebuilt, one spare. Manual transmission, includes kit instructions, dash, lights, transaxle components included. Original GT40s were Le Mans legends. This is not that, but it's a tribute style project. Seller claims these kits sell for $18,000 without engines. At $3,500, you're really buying the engines and parts, plus a dream if you're patient. 10 very different machines. Air-cooled trucks, big convertibles, 4-door drivers, entry-level projects, and even a GT40 style kit. None of these are perfect. Most need work. Some need a lot of work. But that's the point of project cars. If you enjoy looking at real-world classic cars for sale, the affordable kind, stay tuned. There's always another batch waiting in someone's driveway.